And moving on, 6 counties in Arid and Semi-Arid Lands, the ASAL, are set to benefit from 1.2 billion shillings water project to address the current water shortage in the regions. Under the 5-year project that has been supported by the Danish government, the Water Sector Trust Fund, over 2,500 households will benefit. The counties that are set to benefit include Garissa, Isiolo, Lamu, Marsabit, Tana River and Turkana, and will each get an approximate 150 million shillings. This emerged when the donor country, the Trust Fund, and the counties signed a working memorandum in Lake Naivasha Resort.
According to Elizabeth Machioli, the team leader from Danida, the 5-year program will start in July, targeting the marginalized areas.
For this particular program, Denmark is going to be investing 1.2 billion, and this comes in addition to at least 3.5 billion that we have given in the past, because Denmark has been in the water sector for more than almost 2 decades now. The program is going to be 5 years, and we kickstart it in July of this year. So we hope we'll go all the way, into 5 years beyond July of this year.
The donor country has previously funded 8 counties at a tune of 3.5 billion, but the current program has been scaled down to 1.2 billion shillings. Speaking during the signing of the program, she said that Danida was keen to support the water and sanitation in the climate change programs in the country.
Before this particular program, we were actually in 8 counties, and then in this particular program, we decided to scale down because we are not the only actor in the water sector. There are other development partners who have been in there, and we felt that the 2 counties that we phased out from were receiving already some very good support from other development partners. Hence, for this particular period, we would want to remain in the 6 counties and consolidate the work we've been doing with them over the past few years.
The CIS for Water, Dr. Andrew Trimore, says the water project comes at a time when some parts of the country are facing drought. According to Dr. Andrew, the government is currently undertaking 685 water projects in the country, including 3 peace dams in Turkana, West Pokot and Marsabit.
Water, as you know, has been a major source of conflict, and we've recognized that. In fact, apart from what Danida is doing now, we've built 3 peace dams in Turkana, which are ready in Marsabit, and also in Pokot, and these are going to help the communities that are living together, because once they have water, they can stay peacefully together. But of course, what Danida is doing today will help us solve some of these conflict issues, because when the drought comes in, 80% of our water sources almost dry up. So we really need to find a way of recharging that, and we have 685 projects that are going on now. Some have been completed, some are in different phases of completion, and we'll be launching some of these. The national government will be launching some of these, the county government will launch some of them, and these, of course, are helping us to improve water coverage in this country.
The CAS noted that there is a need to raise sanitation levels in the country, which stood at 20% to 40% by 2022. Lamu Governor Fahim Twaha noted that the county faced water challenges, adding that the 5-year program will address the current challenges. He added that the ongoing capital projects around the Lamu port will see an increase in population and hence the demand for water.
We have a rising population. Some of it is due to natural increase, and some of it is due to immigration. People are being attracted by the new port. So the need for water will increase manifold, and we need to prepare for it instead of waiting until a crisis emerges and then we start putting out fires. So we want to expand our capacity to provide water for the present population and for the future population.
And from that water project in the ASAL counties, the Captivity Weekend does have to take